Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. It's Rush, the Discovery Boss. Hope everyone is safe. Hope everyone is definitely taking precautions so they don't catch the big C. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the vicinity of the National Stadium, which is just right over there in front of me. There are plans to do a complete renovation of the National Stadium. Should start in 2021. Not sure if that will change now based on the whole economy downturn caused by the big C virus. But let's see. So there's plans to completely renovate the stadium, from the stands, from the bleachers section, from the pools, and from the recreation area. So there's a big plan to renovate our main stadium in Jamaica, the National Stadium. So let's see if that will take fruition. Alright, so even though we're looking at the National Stadium right here, we're really here to check on an update on apartment construction, the Loft. So I'm in the area, I'm in the vicinity, so decided just to show you guys an update in terms of the Loft apartment construction. But before I do that, just showing you guys around the place. So this is next door to Loft. This is an unofficial practice driving area. Persons come to teach others to drive, to reverse, to park. There is a lady right there learning under instruction. So this is next door to the Loft, in front of the National Stadium. When big events are being kept as well, this is also additional parking. So now the Loft is on this side. So each time we come here, I think the Loft is looking more and more exquisite. It's looking real clean with the design, the color coordination, the windows, the doors, the balconies. I really like this one. It has a lot of space as well because it's a big piece of land, so the space is there. Even in front, which is the driving area, is also nice. Green grass and palm trees. And then they have put up the sign right there on the security post, the Loft sign. Not sure if you guys can see that right there. Yeah, so I'm sure all the investors and tenants for the Loft is really just anxious to move in. It has been sold out years ago, completely sold out. So investors and homeowners, I'm sure they're just excited to now move in to take full advantage of their investment. Look at that. So from this angle, it really looks nice. It looks like a hotel, a really upscale hotel in terms of the design. The ventilation seems to be really good because there's a lot of windows, and I like that. They'll have jogging trail, gym, pool, another recreational area as well. Ample parking. And I think right there in the center, I think that's one of their recreational area right there. So we have two towers, tower 1 here, and then tower 2 over this side, and then in the center, the recreational area. So guys, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. We're trying to reach to 3,000 subscribers by May. So definitely support. Definitely share the videos as well, so more persons can see, more persons can like, and the video can travel faster and further as well. And of course, leave your comments. Let me know what you think about the progress of the development, the pace of the work, and any other thoughts or questions you have, definitely share in the comments. I'm thinking they must have an elevator system there, so I'm thinking that's probably right there in the middle. That should be the elevator channel. I'm seeing some staircases in there as well. But I like it, guys. It's really nice. The colors are subtle, not too bright. And they're finishing up in terms of cleaning up the area with, with the construction material. And also, putting in marble bricks, colored bricks and stuff like that. So I like it. Right next to the National Stadium. Any event, you can just go on your balcony or walk over. So I like it. So again, guys, share your thoughts, opinions. Alright, so we have mass camp over this side for all those persons that go to parties, bacchanal. So this is mass camp area. The project was financed by Scotia Bank. Scotia Bank, I'm sure, will be getting a big return on their money because the unit is completely sold out. So we see water truck. Alright guys, so the loft. And guys, want to hear your opinion. What do you think is one of the best apartment construction over the last 2 to 3 years? Best and most liked, in terms of which one you like the most. For me, the one in the #1 spot is 20 South. I did that video, you can check it out if you haven't. I think 20 South is very luxurious, very upscale. It's on Waterloo Road or South Avenue. That's 20 South. That is my favorite. What's your favorite? And I think in the #2 spot is the Loft. So the Loft is definitely in the #2 spot for me. But share your thoughts. Let me know in the comments what's your top favorites in terms of apartment construction that has happened or even happening over the last 2 to 3 years. Alright, so just wanted to bring you guys a quick update. I wasn't going to review this property again until the next month or so because I did a review in January. But as I said, I'm in the area, so might as well. So again guys, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Just click that subscribe button. I'm waiting, so I'm giving you a few moments. Click that subscribe button. It's completely free, so you can see more updates like this, more reviews like this as well. And just share, comment, and like and share the video as well. So thanks for watching thus far. Thanks for always supporting the channel. Thanks to all those who have donated financially as well. The links are in the description. If you want to donate, we have PayPal and other banking institutions as well. So thanks to all the supporters, thanks to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Alright guys, see you on that next video.